So hello and welcome in my next video. In this one I'm gonna show you what I bought recently. I just purchased on eBay Lenovo T430s, I think. Yes, that's a T430s. I paid £88 and 75 pence, and the spec is 4 GB of RAM. It's I think, let me check, it's gonna be, let me show you, this is gonna be a Core i5. I think it's 2.6 megahertz and 240 gigabytes of SSD storage. And so this came with a AC adapter, came with it. Cosmetically it's not very, it's not perfect, but considering the price and the age, it's a 2013, I would say it's not, it's a fair condition. First of all, one of the keys, F9 key, is like a little bit pressed in, but it's still working. I checked this trackpad surface. I had like a sticker, and it's a very easy to change. You just peel it off, the sticker from the trackpad, and I put the new one, which is like with a little bit of texture, and that's it. Actually, I'm gonna turn it on. Battery is kind of in good condition. I think it holds charge quite well. I think like 2 hours maybe from laptop I will get, I did upgrade it to 8 GB of RAM because I had 4 GB of RAM from the previous laptop. So the spec is, I'm gonna show you the spec, just a second. Alright, system, display. So the spec is 8 GB of RAM, and the core is the i5 3320 CPU, sorry, 2.6 GHz, not megahertz, gigahertz. And storage, as you can see, 223 gigabytes. Let me check if I can check the device manager. And disk drives. Oh, that's Intel. Okay, properties. Yeah, it's an Intel SSD. It's 240. What can I say more? Screen is in the kind of good condition. I haven't seen any dead pixel. No, there is two dead pixels. That's, like I said, considering the price and the age, it's not too bad. No, it's not dead pixel, just something dirty. No, this one is dead pixel. Okay, so one dead pixel, as I can see. It's not gonna, probably it's not gonna bother me. I haven't noticed previously, so it shouldn't bother me. But considering the price, let's say, what can you get for £100 right now? Probably not a lot. If you go to a shop, you have to pay quite a lot to get. I'm not saying the same spec, but like a similar spec, and to be able to work on it. Normally in 2020, it's quite fast. Everything, as I've checked, because I had it, I just got it yesterday. As I checked from yesterday, I think everything works. I will have to double check, but all the buttons work, trackpad works, all additional buttons, they all work. Like you can see, so everything, it looks like everything works. It looks like I will have to double check everything again. I will have to check BIOS as well if there's no like a password or something. And to my surprise, because I haven't noticed earlier, it has backlight keyboard as well, which is nice. So I can work at night on it. And what else? What it has a camera, all that good stuff that T430 got. As you can see on the sides, you have a USB 3 headphone jack, SD card. I don't know what the smart card probably reader. So over here you have a monitor input, another USB. That's probably this mini display. That's a USB. That's a power cord, and that's internet. And on this side, unfortunately, it doesn't come with DVD or additional storage, but you can definitely purchase it. As you can see, it has as well. Sorry, it has as well. As you can see, you can turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi, which is, I think, nice. I can show you a little bit closer the surface and the back. Like I said, it's not perfect condition. I'm not saying it's perfect, but considering, like, look guys, considering the price, £88 and 75 pence. Okay, you know, probably will have to pay like additional 10, maybe 15 pounds for the RAM to have at least 8 gigabytes, because I think you need at least 8 gigabytes for the laptop to work properly. So, and as you can see, you have a latch. They are latches. They are working. So, and at the screen, when I look at the screen, it's not IPS screen. It's not full HD, but it's a HD screen. It's a decent screen. What I would say, it's a decent screen for the laptop. Let's say you have like an expensive laptop, and then you have to go, for example, for a journey or something, and you can take this one, right, and you work on it, you know, like maybe like not major work, but like I said previously in my video about Lenovo X230, I can do video editing as well on Lenovo X230, which is mind-blowing. Well, I got 16 gigabytes on Lenovo X230, so probably I would have to upgrade to 16 gigabytes to actually do video editing on this one. So, right, I would have to say, right, 16 gigabytes. Right, so the 16 gigabytes probably will cost me additional, because I checked online, like £40. So £40 for the 8 gigabytes, because I have two 4 gigabytes sticks right now. So if I remove them, that will probably worth £30. So like more than £100 gonna be. Well, if it's more than £100, then you could consider Lenovo T430p, but I don't know, like I'm not saying I would stick with this one, but let's see, you know, I'm gonna do some more testing, and we're gonna see how it's gonna, you know, work for me. But what I can say additionally, when I checked on Lenovo Vantage, it showed me that battery cycle count was 124, which is, you know, not too bad considering, and it's a Sanyo, so which means it's a original battery. What else? It's not the lightest laptop, what I can say. It's I would say, I don't know how much exactly it weighs. You can check probably online how much it weighs, but I can hold it in one hand and it's not too bad. When I worked on it I placed it on my lap, I think, well, it is, I think, a little bit heavier than Lenovo X230, but, you know, considering that you have like a bigger screen, Yeah, I think I can live with that. And to be honest with you guys, I don't know. It's I would say I paid more than £100 for Lenovo X230, but it was like more than 2 years ago, I think, more than 2 years ago. So I would say like for £88.75, it's a bloody steal. Sorry about my language. It's a steal, definitely steal. Considering that everything works, of course, I'm not gonna, I don't know, invest a lot of money in it. I'm just gonna see how it's gonna, perform day-to-day tasks, and I'm gonna, come back to you in a month or 2 months, and I'm gonna tell you how it was. So, okay, let's see the battery. So it's 95% remaining, and I have to tell you that I did charge it yesterday from 60. So it shows me 3 hours and 17 minutes remaining. I would say probably from those 3 hours I will probably get maybe 2 hours. But still, for the old laptop with old battery, I think it's okay. What I would say, if you need laptop that you're not gonna regret, if you're gonna scratch or something, but you still need something to work on it, I would definitely recommend it at this point. Let's see in 1 month what's gonna happen with this laptop. Maybe it's gonna die for me. But considering my history with Lenovo, I never ever had a problem with Lenovo laptops. But of course, all the laptops that I used was the old laptops. Most of them, they were like a T430, T440, T420, T410, X220, X230. So old laptops, right? The old Lenovo laptops, I think they are very robust. And and this one as well, it's a 2013, so you have a 7 years old, and it doesn't look like 7 years old laptop, to be honest with you. But it still works, everything works, everything, it starts very quickly. We can, anyway, to wrap it up, I will come back to you in a month or 2 months, and we're gonna see how it will perform during that time. And that's it. I hope you have a great day, and if you like it, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.